We got VG50 output problem. First we given power. See here, sound will come in this panel board. See, power on, power is on, but output not working, output supply not working. It's taking 2-3 minutes. Any stabilizer depending on companies. See the panel board. Output supply problem facing here. First of all, then output relays, input output relays, these see here, time taking port. Immediately we shows green light, just touch these 2 pins. These 2 pins. See this coil 220 UF 63 volts. But here see relay problem. See here burning. Here burning. We are showing problem is this relays. Majorly output coil problem and relays majorly problems in this VG50 stabilizer, refrigerator stabilizer.